At this time of year, 3D printing businesses tend to see a little bit of a spike in demand as per the Christmas season. But what can you do to address that demand without having to purchase more printers that will be unused the rest of the year? Today we're going to go through that. Now, 3D printing is a great technology because it is so flexible, but the issue is that there can be surges in demand that are so great that your individual print farm cannot handle them. And you don't want to purchase more machines in order to address that demand because they'll be unused into the future. Because after Black Friday passes and you have a giant spike in orders, the rest of the season and the rest of the year, the orders go down and float around down here. So why spend a few $1,000s buying more machines that will be unused? Now, there's a few ways around this. One of the silliest ways to do it is people actually reduce demand to themselves. They will put their Etsy store on vacation. They will delist items, that kind of thing, to where they are losing sales in order to make sure that they don't disappoint customers by shipping stuff late by having a large backlog. And that's a reasonable way of doing it if you want to maintain the size of your business. But if you actually want to grow, you need to take all the money off the table you can during the Christmas season. So a better way of doing it is to basically lease out a print farm. And there's a few ways of doing this. You can actually work with a local print farm to borrow his machines while you're working on it, but now you're dealing with an onboarding process where they don't understand your product and they don't have as much certification. They can also be affected by the same kinds of problems. They could have a ton of people coming to them to request extra prints. Or you can access other resources like our Teleport 3D printing app. Slant 3D, we are spec'd out to hold 3,000 machines. So we generally have spare capacity and we plan 6 months ahead for these types of seasons. The Teleport app allows you to plug in products from your Etsy store, from your Shopify, from your Amazon, so that when that order shows up, we can print it and ship it directly to your customer. So you're not having to deal with all the infrastructure and onboarding that generally comes from a traditional supplier-customer relationship. With Teleport, what you can do is you can just sign up, match it to a couple of items inside of your store, and when those items show up, we will print them and ship them. And our lead times are 2 to 5 days, and we maintain that because that's our job. You have preset settings all the way through so that you know what they're going to be, and there's sample prints and reference documentation all over the place. So that's very fast and easy to just ramp up Teleport so that it can take care of you for a couple of weeks and you can use our hundreds of machines to support your store for a short period of time. And then when you go back to the regular season, you can go back to using your internal print farm, which is totally legitimate so that you can increase your overall operating margins. But the most dangerous thing you can possibly do is actually give up on orders. Christmas only comes once a year, and this is a period when people can experience 3D printed products and see the awesome inventions and creations that you have made. And if you pass that up, then they may never circle back around again. So when you have this opportunity, use every resource at your disposal to make sure that you're not losing orders. And quite frankly, if you do that, you can very often double your Christmas season. Because while Black Friday is the giant spike, it continues to be high all the way through to Christmas itself. So having a couple hundred extra machines that you can just turn on and turn off without having to pay any sort of fees except when you print a part is a pretty good way of scaling up your operation without actually having to build a factory or a print farm yourself. So check out Teleport at slantpod.com or give us a call or message if you need any help or any resources there. We're standing by to help everybody out because we knew that this time of year, people often get behind and need extra help. So just reach out to us and we'll see what we can do to get you set up so that you can use our giant print farms for free. Have a great day, everybody.